Good morning, students. Welcome. We'll continue with our same chapter, 8th chapter, cell structure and functions. And this is our last part 3 of this chapter. In the previous video, we discussed about the cell, parts of the cell, that is cytoplasm, nucleus, and we also discovered prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now we will continue with our next topic in this video. Our next part of the cell is vacuoles. What are vacuoles? While observing the onion cells under the microscope, did you notice any blank looking structures in the cytoplasm? कुछ blank space होती है cytoplasm में. It is called vacuole. Vacuole means एक type of vacuum, blank space होना. So it could be a single and big as in onion cell. Cheek cells have smaller vacuoles, means animal cells. Cheek cells means हमारे थे. We are considered in animal kingdom and plant kingdom. Two kingdoms are there. Living organisms are in animal kingdom. So an animal cell has very small vacuoles, but in onion cell we saw a big vacuoles. Large vacuoles are common in plant cells. Vacuoles in animal cells are much smaller. So this is one difference between the plant cell and animal cell. Further we will see also with the help of figure. Now, what are plastids? You might have noticed several small colored bodies in the cytoplasm of the cells of ट्रेडेस्केंशिया लीफ. ट्रेडेस्केंशिया लीफ में अगर आप देखेंगे तो कुछ स्मॉल कलर्ड बॉडीज दिखेंगी साइटोप्लाज्म में. दे आर स्कैटर्ड इन द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ द लीफ सेल्स एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड प्लास्टिड्स. उसे हम कहते हैं प्लास्टिड्स, जो लीफ में पूरे सब जगह स्कैटर्ड रहते हैं. दे आर ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स. कलर्स भी अलग अलग होते हैं. Some of them contain green pigment called chlorophyll. Green colored plastids are called chloroplasts. जो आप chlorophyll और chloroplasts पढ़ते आ रहे हैं बचपन से, plants में होते हैं, leaf में. They are actually the plastids which contains color pigments. And green color pigment is commonly known as chlorophyll. So green colored plastids are called chloroplasts. They provide green color to the leaves. Mostly leaves को जो color provide करते हैं वो plastids provide करते हैं. You may recall that chlorophyll is in the chloroplast of leaves is essential for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis के लिए वो बहुत ही essential है chlorophyll. In presence of chlorophyll only the leaf can perform the function of photosynthesis. I hope you all know this, students. Yes. हमने अपने previous standards में भी photosynthesis के processes को study किया है. So 3-4 things are required like sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. In the presence of all these components, only the plant can perform the function of photosynthesis. Now, comparison of plant and animal cells. If you recall activities 3 and 4, you would be able to compare plant and animal cells. जो हमने दो slides बनाई थी, one of onion cell and one was of cheek cell. Observe the plant and animal cell carefully in the next slide, which will be our next slide. Let us tabulate the similarities and distinguish features of plant and animal cells. Let's see what are the similarities and dissimilarities between the plant cell and animal cell. Only a few features are mentioned. Other features I told you, you will be studying in your higher classes, students. Let's see. Comparison of plant and animal cells. Now you can see the figure A shows you plant cell and the figure B is animal cell. You can see this is plant cell and this one is animal cell. Cell membrane दोनों में होती है, कॉमन होती है, बट प्लांट सेल में एक ऑप्शनल है सेल वॉल जो एनिमल सेल में नहीं है. सेल मेम्ब्रेन दोनों में होती है. सेल मेम्ब्रेन के बाहर प्लांट सेल में होती है सेल वॉल. Then there are chloroplasts in plant cell, but they are not present in animal cell. Now vacuoles, which we talked about it previously, vacuoles जो होते हैं plant cell में empty space, जो खाली space होती है plant cell में वो ज़्यादा होती है and it is bigger in size, but animal cell में ये खाली space बहुत छोटी होती है. So vacuoles are smaller in animal cell and they are bigger in plant cells. So similarity is that the vacuoles are present, but dissimilarity is in plant cells they are bigger in size and in animal cells they are smaller in size. Nucleus is present in both of them and even cytoplasm is present in both the cells. You can see here. Yes, students. So this is the comparison, short comparison between the plant cell and animal cell. One table is also given in your textbook which will show you the comparison between plant cell and animal cell. First is cell membrane. Cell membrane is present in both of them. So I will tick mark present. It is also printed first. Then there is cell wall. Cell wall is present only in plant cell, and in animal cell it is absent. Just see the figure I told you, cell wall is present here, but in animal cell it is absent. Then come the nucleus. Is it present in both the cells? Yes, nucleus is present in plant cell, even in the animal cell. Then our next is nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, you can see it is present in both the nucleus में membrane एक बाहर से दोनों में होती है nuclear membrane, so it is present in प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन सिर्फ किसमें नहीं होती है? प्रोकैरियोट्स, जो सिर्फ दो ही हैं, बैक्टीरिया एंड ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गे, उनको हम प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स बोलते हैं. जो अंडर डेवलप न्यूक्लियस होता है और न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एब्सेंट होती है. अदरवाइज प्लांट सेल और एनिमल सेल दोनों में न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन होती है. साइटोप्लाज्म इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन बोथ द सेल्स. यस, yeah. Then comes plastids. Once more you will see the figure. Plastid, this is chloroplast, which has green color pigment called chlorophyll, which is present only in plant cell. It is not shown in animal cell. So plastids are present only in plant cell, but they are not present in animal cell. Then comes the vacuoles. Now vacuoles are here big in size. I can write present to hai big in size, and here they are small in size. Yeah. So here also they are present, but in animal cell, in plant cell, their size is big, just a difference, and in animal cell, their size is small. So these are the differences between the plant cell and animal cell. क्या चीजें present हैं, क्या चीजें नहीं है, present है तो उनकी size में कहीं variation है, and all this. Still we have not complete covered all the parts of the cell because आपके course में सिर्फ इतना ही है, इसलिए हम लोग यहीं पे हमारा chapter complete करेंगे. Other parts of the cells you will study in detail, their functions and all thing in your higher classes, probably in 9th standard. For this video, this much only, and here we have also completed our chapter. I hope you all understood this chapter. I will request you to please once again go through the chapter and complete video, so you will get through the chapter easily. Thank you, students. Stay safe, keep studying.